Think cows are just boring field ornaments? Think again. Did you know cows have best friends? That's right, they get stressed out when they're separated from their besties. And get this, a cow can walk upstairs, but not downstairs. Their knees just don't bend the right way. Also, forget what you learned in cartoons. Cows don't actually sleep standing up. They lie down to get some quality Z's, just like us. And that classic moo sound? It's not universal. Cows actually have regional accents. A British cow sounds different from an American cow. Who knew cows were so complex and cool? So next time you see a cow, give it a little wave. You might be looking at a future stand-up comedian with a funny accent. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing facts.